on Watch Idiots and Cars with Poke and James. Enjoy.
Oh, I'm just so EP, bro. I just want some. I want In-N-Out.
I want a burrito. Dude,
That
where
sounds
are you
kinda
going? Holy shit!
Oh, we're going to Los Santos.
We actually are in Los Santos. That's kind of crazy. Oh my
Dude,
what
that
the
went
fuck
from
was
0 to
random
100. Oh my
music?
god.
Like, hello?
Dude, it's an ad.
Oh. My fault, bro.
What?
No, we gotta replay that. That was the stupidest
Like,
fucking accident.
actually, like,
This-
I
this
don't
was-
drive, but what was that?
This
Like,
is two people not using their brain at all.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, for your journal. Oh, I thought you just meant for fun.
We just playing this shit for fun, bud?
Holy god!
Holy brap.
You can't go. That was not your turn.
Oh.
fucking hell,
Play
man.
stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Nah, but
I mean,
actually,
yeah.
yeah. Like, I agree with that wholeheartedly,
Wait,
bro.
that exit looks fucking sick. Can we take that exit, please? Yeah, go where he's going, dude. That exit looks like it goes somewhere great.
Did like 3 people just go up this guy's ass?
Yeah.
Like when he stopped.
$8.99 a month or $9.99 a month, maybe $11.99 a month to track your health. Yeah. Okay.
What's this Dutch angle? This is sick, man.
Yeah, I'm just fucking shitting
Fucking
myself.
hell.
I'm scared. Like, honestly, bro, he should have just gave me $20 and it would have avoided that whole situation.
True.
Like, I'm right, dead ass too.
Why do we always end up back here in this fucking goddamn, like,
Trap.
ditch? like, why do we always end up here?
Whoa, bro. That could have been so much
Stupid, man.
worse. The music.
Dude, turn the killers off
Dude,
now,
the
man.
tube! Look at the tube!
This is the worst AI detection software ever. What the fuck is it detecting, bro?
Shit's detecting hitboxes that don't exist,
Yeah,
bro.
dude, it's literally making shit up. This is not real.
What
It's
is it
just-
supposed to be
dude,
doing? Like,
I think it's supposed to be detecting cars, right? But like, look at it. It's anemic, bro. Like, what are we doing? Like,
United their first victory over Spurs in 9 attempts.
9 attempts for what?
Oh!
Ow!
Sounds like who's the one?
She's listening to a podcast
Yeah,
made by probably a white person.
dude, I think he was listening to Match of the Day. I
don't know what that means, but you're
I was listening to the footy, bro.
You can't park there, dude. I'm sorry. You gotta leave.
Yeah, nothing's really happening, dude. Get
Win
up.
stupid
No,
prizes.
they're fighting,
like,
dude.
actually.
This is a fight.
Wait, that
This is
actually
road
makes
race.
sense, though, yeah.
The pickup truck's like, I'm not taking this shit. Fuck you. Fuck you.
We're not
And the
gonna
box truck's
take
like,
it.
I'm in a rental. I have nothing to live for. Fuck you. He's gonna run into him.
I have nothing to live for.
Again.
Oh, they gave
Oh,
up.
the wounded soldier leaves the battlefield.
yeah, leave, loser, leave. You lost, brother.
Are they actually pulling over? Really? You guys just almost killed each other. What the fuck are you gonna talk about? Like,
I don't think they're gonna talk. I think they're just gonna finish each other off.
I mean,
This
like,
looks familiar.
may
Is
the
this the one where
best
they
man
fucking
win.
get out of the car and try to ride? It is the one!
it is it.
Holy shit! Whoa!
Get
I've
fucked,
never
idiot!
seen that.
If anyone ever tries to rob you, run them over.
Yup,
That was,
do not
dude,
stop,
that
do
was
not
like
panic, keep
GTA.
going.
Like, actually.
Yeah, it's a motherfucker. They do that shit, bro. They get out of the car and try to, like, prey on people that stop because they don't want to hit them.
That's fucking crazy.
they-
like, actual pirates, bro. Like, trying to take your shit.
Pirates of the road, bro. Yeah, alright, man. Grow up.
You're listening to way too suspenseful music for while you're driving.
Yeah, like, this is just eerie.
Like, you're just asking to die.
Yeah, that's just eerie as hell, bro.
My pages.
This doesn't look real.
Collect my pages.
Holy
you-
shit!
Not to make fun of them, but they
Dude,
screamed like
they're-
fucking Finn from
I
Adventure
would
Time.
too, dude. Dude, they're okay. I need to point out that their windshield looks like a fucking screen. This doesn't look real.
This is like someone's gaming
Yeah, this looks
setup.
like they're playing Truck Simulator, bro. Get out of here. I know
Playing
what
like
you're doing.
car slender.
Yeah, dude, I know what you're doing.
Collect my 8 motors, yes. I'm car Slenderman.
What the fuck is this road, man?
The UK, this is your country, man.
Actual fucking like brambles.
Dude, he's gonna pass him, trust.
Oh fuck, man. Whoa.
He deserves that spot, dude. He just did some fucking voodoo shit. Give it to him.
Come on, man. Just give
It
it
needs to be a
another
federal
one.
crime for them to do this shit, by the way. Like, they need to, like, literally be fucking arrested.
Not literally. Oh, we're in 2022?
Oh shit.
Guys?
I'm scared, bro.
There's a
Hold
lot of...
me, please.
Guys, why is he telling me to collect pages? It sounds like the...
Collect my
It
pages,
sounds like
yes.
Slenderman got you. Listen to it.
It actually does, yeah, just...
Guys, there's a guy on the road. He's really tall.
Is this
Collect
really
my
like an
pages.
idiots in cars moment? Like, this is actually an
idiots
act
in
of
weather.
God.
I'm just scared, bro, honestly.
It is, like, I have been driving, and it go from, like, slightly rainy to, like, you literally can't see. It's crazy. Like, it's like, it's drizzling, and then all of a sudden, you go under a bridge or something, and it's like, you can't fucking see anymore.
Oh, the hitboxes are back.
At least this one's tracking is okay. Like, it's actually, like,
Yeah.
following it.
Still funny, though.
Watch it, bud. Hello? I'd like audio
Oh,
back,
dude.
please. Or maybe not.
Oh my god!
Welp.
Hello?
Pickup
Is
truck
there
fights
audio or are we
semi-truck.
tweaking?
Pickup truck fights semi-truck. Pickup truck loses.
I'm good.
They got fucking rolled, dude.
That's what they fucking get, bro. That's what they get.
Pickup truck
What is that guy
won.
carrying?
I think it's like a big tube.
Dude, you could just buy a big-ass tube of meat if you want to, bro. Okay.
That was
Big
what you
ass
saw in
slab of
I mean,
sausage.
Ooh, they hit a
Not to be
school
a
bus.
Redditor.
It's over.
Yeah, not to be a Redditor, but you just straight up, just, you know, you win stupid prizes there,
That's
brother.
more of a Strixo moment. Strixo always points out the school bus. Strixo's like, oh, federal crime, you're getting shot.
Strixo be like.
Strixo be like, oh, you hit a school bus? Death penalty. Played it.
Yes!
Okay.
Yay. Duncan.
Dude, watch out. Gotta be vigilant, dude.
I swear to God, I just saw a supermarket named JK Mart.
You
That makes
did.
me think. Yeah, just kidding, Mart. Just kidding. Wait, what are we doing? Oh
Dude,
my God,
me
what's
when
going
I'm
on? What's
driving and
happening?
I'm like, can I whip the car around? Yes. I can.
Can I do a really quick U-turn?
Yeah.
Why are we so zoomed out, bro? This is Quake, bro.
Dude,
I think we're just
this
high
is how I
up.
feel when I drive. I am Quake Pro
That's not
FOV.
surprising. You're a 7'4", like,
Yeah, dude.
giant, bro.
I open the sunroof and I just peek my head out.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, please. Oh, I was hoping to get closer than that.
Damn.
Dude.
Aw, the fence. It's over now. Thanks a lot, dude.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
See, I'd stay home.
Yeah, this is like go home weather. Like,
Dude,
this is
imagine,
go back.
Imagine texting while you're fucking driving and that kind of shit, dude. Insane. I would hit it.
Oh, we're in the
Hey,
big city,
you
bro.
just didn't even react to that. You just kept going.
That was Canada.
Holy shit.
fucking Canadians, bro. Oh my God, dude, go back,
This
go
guy
back,
crashed
man.
right in front of me.
Back up, man.
Dude, this was like yesterday. What the hell? I'm dating your video by like a month.
Yeah, what the fuck, dude? It wasn't yesterday at all.
Ah! No, the mulch!
That is the
No,
true
my precious
tragedy.
powders, no.
That was definitely like 20 cents of mulch, though. Okay.
Why are you watching this on a stream?
You know,
Dude.
we should all just grow up.
What? Where did they get these cameras, man? Where did the camera come from? I've never seen a camera like this.
Fucking hell.
I love you, Brandon. I love you.
His window blew up. It exploded.
Beer
And
the
it's the
month,
UK?
mate.
For the rest of the floor, we're gonna need about 30
Sounded like he was
times that much
Australian.
concrete.
Oh, maybe.
Then we shall just have to figure
What is this
out what we can
AI
do with
audiobook? What is this?
fucking kidding me.
Oh, he got you.
Also an Australian?
But not much of a difference.
No.
This is-
6 by 6, 7.
Die.
Yes.
My head hurts. Okay. Oh, we got 2 of them. We got 2 for 1, bro.
Dude,
Kill 2
holy
birds with 1
shit.
stone.
Oh!
He's just fucking everyone up, man.
Holy
Aw,
shit.
JRG.
No, don't hit them.
Don't go forward, man. What the fuck are you thinking? Idiot.
Right? But the problem is your story keeps you from finding the strategy.
The reason that white people are inferiors.
That was insane.
That was 15 years ago.
How'd the bus crash? What?
He said, I think it was 14% of Americans were on the
This sounds like RFK if he got on testosterone.
Yeah, RFK if he was actually manly.
If his voice got fixed.
Yeah, RFK
Yeah.
if he fixed himself.
Aw, man. Oh, this is a beautiful
Wait,
day.
I feel like I've seen this clip.
Whee! I love Iceland.
Oh, they're racing.
Why are you filming yourself racing? I'm confused here. Oh, he's trying to take you with him, bro. Don't let him. Yeah. Okay, maybe he wasn't trying to race because he sounded very confused.
No,
This
they
song's
were
definitely
racing.
copyright, by the way.
That guy just couldn't keep up.
Oh my fucking god.
We saw this clip.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we saw
Wait
this.
a second. What? What are you singing about him for? How did we not hear that last time?
I don't know.
Lights,
It,
green
it
man,
still
go.
sounds like Kesha. I'm just like, I don't know what it is. I don't think it is Kesha, but it sounds like Kesha.
This is like one of those TikTok AI songs that becomes the most popular song on the charts
This is
for
what
some
living with
reason.
astigmatism's like.
Dead ass.
There's a guy in front of you, dude. You have to slow down.
Yeah, you
What
talked to
if that truck just blew up?
What?
Dude, you should not be surprised you almost hit that motherfucker. What do you mean? You took so long to slow down. That's why you have to slow down, man.
Jesus.
You
The
have
guy
to
trying
slow
to
down.
thread the needle.
But yeah, you have to like gradually
Yeah,
slow
man.
down because everyone behind you is brain dead, okay? Everyone behind you is a GTA 5 NPC. Always remember that. Everyone on the road is a fucking NPC at all times. Always remember that. They're on heroin or
That's
something.
on God. That's just on God, man. I don't know.
Everyone
I
talks
can't
about drunk
disagree.
drivers, but no one talks about all the Karens who are popping pills while they're fucking driving their kids around, dude. No, don't hit the
Look at all
curb.
this
Hit them.
cream
Hit
cheese,
them.
bro.
Cream cheese. That yummy cream cheese, man.
Literally, look at all that
Dude,
cream
you should
cheese,
not
bro.
be drifting next to a cliffside, bro.
Yeah,
Nah, but he
I'd say
lived,
it's a
though.
bad idea. But it's okay, though. Yeah,
Dude,
he's
drive
okay.
a little slower, man. Yeah, you almost died, okay? Like,
That's super great.
holy
Oh, and he's
shit.
got the toddler device to just make sure he does as much damage with his vehicle as he possibly can.
Yeah, we in Chicago, bro. We in Seattle or something.
This does look like one of those places. Maybe it's Atlanta. There's like no people.
There's people
I
right
don't
there,
know,
bro.
man.
What do you mean? Okay, dude. I'm in a vehicle. I don't want to wait 5 seconds.
Guys, there's a guy in front of you, man.
Holy shit!
Damn, bro. They
thread
they
the
went
needle.
through. They fucking.
He threaded
they just,
the needle, bro.
That was crazy.
Oh, now we're drifting.
gonna
Oh no!
crash.
No, the sign!
you fumbled it,
we
man.
saved it! We did it, guys! We saved it! Holy shit! Oh my god! What is this guy doing? You got a new whip, huh? Well,
Dude, if
probably
Yeah,
I was
last
in
okay,
the car
dude.
and someone was driving like this, I would assume we're gonna die. Like straight up.
100%, yeah, 100%.
This was, dude. This is one of the most. That's one of the worst ones I've seen. He's so
was
obviously
scary.
not in control of a car. He's like literally fucking the tail.
And he's
dude,
yelling about getting a new whip.
It's
Like, dude, you're
whipping-
just about to die. Like,
You can see the weight when it moves, dude. He does not have control. Like he drifted on that. Like what the fuck? He was slipping on that, dude. It's crazy.
okay, that actually wasn't a big deal, dude.
Yeah, it was okay, bro.
Oh, that guy's not gonna stop, bro.
I jerked my gaze from the guy.
They are.
Yeah, a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so fucking sorry, bro. Oh.
The world's strongest soldier, dude.
Sometimes you gotta be a country girl and make do, dude. You know what I mean?
Yup.
Country boys make do, man.
They make do, bro.
Yep, that's why they grow corn.
This isn't that bad. You could buff that out, you know? Give me a pair of scissors and a beer. I'll do it.
I mean, give me a big ass plunger.
Yeah.
What
Okay.
the fuck?
Okay, bro activated this Rocket League jump, bro.
He went so fast, the shockwave flipped the car.
Good God!
No, I actually have no idea why this
play
car
that
is
again.
I'm
I want to see him.
I'm genuinely really
was
confused.
crazy, bro. What the hell? Does he get like pit maneuvered?
Oh,
he
they
did.
get hit in the back.
Yeah.
I really, like, it was timed so well with that car driving
Fuck,
by.
that's rough.
I was like, what the fuck?
I like blinked, so just seeing it come into frame slowly, I was like, what the fuck did I miss?
This is
bro?
gonna be funny.
Oh,
Oh, holy
Maybe they
shit!
can't include that. That
maybe it
person's
wasn't
probably
that funny.
dead. No, that was
that
pretty
guy's
funny.
finished.
You could add like Looney Tunes sound effects. This would be like really funny. Like,
That guy is over.
Wait, are
like,
you
that's
ready?
the end of his story, bro.
alright, you ready? Boing. And
wait, hold on a second. How high up was this? Don't pause it. Don't pause it. I want to see where the fuck are we? Is that a mountain?
no, they're on a mountain pass. That guy's probably fucked. I don't know. Like,
God,
like
okay,
that's
I
a
went too far.
crazy spot to
Oh,
just
yeah, he's
dip
dead.
out.
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. You don't want to put that one in, probably.
I mean, play it
No,
again.
it's fine.
Play it again. It's
Give a
funny.
shit. It's not my channel,
It's
bro.
Play
It's
it, play
funny.
it, man. Play it.
Yeah, that is.
He just goes,
fucking-
wee.
That is scary, bro.
Then,
Jesus
dude, and then
Christ.
the guy behind him's gonna have no idea. The guy in front's gonna be like, "Hey, where'd you go?"
Nah, man, nothing's saving him, bro. No quantum immortality is
This guy
saving that
doesn't
guy.
even fucking know, dude. He doesn't see it happen. All right, click answers down. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye. I love you.
See you, bro.